We wanted another tractor to kind of go in between them, so we picked up the 4040. We'd run wagons with the 4040, and you know, we started off running snap-on duals on that and running that on our John Deere 970 roller harrow. What we ended up doing is getting rid of the duals, the snap-on duals for that, and going with a thicker for the 4040. And we also picked up that Miller Pro 918 merger. So another job for the haying seasons for the 4040. So anyway, we're gonna be bringing that 4040 into the shop. Got a filter here from FridayParts, and then they said, hey, you ordered a filter, do you want to check out one of our oil filter wrenches? And so they have one of two kinds of oil filter wrenches. They have this wrench right here. This one is got a leather strap. It's like a strap wrench almost style. I'm going to take it out of the bag here in a second. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this filter off. I'll use the chain wrench for that, and I'll put the new one on with this one just to give it a quick tighten. But anyway, let's open up this wrench here. 12-inch. Oh, okay. So you can adjust whatever. See, you got these two teeth right there. You wrap it around whatever size to lock it in, and then you can twist. So let's do this. That worked out pretty nice. All right, let's hand tighten. So you got these to bite on whatever you're wrenching against. This kind of goes up against there and tighten it, and that way we can tighten it down without damaging the filter. So both filter wrenches, really happy, really impressed with them.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.